I had a coffee this morning, man. I had tea days. Bloody, I don't like that stuff. It gives me a horrible breath. Man. I just don't like the fucking aftertaste it leaves in your mouth for hours. Oh, God, man. Oh, well, yeah, I'm too mad. I love to say I've got too much caffeine in it, so it don't make me feel weird. Yeah, one more up here somewhere. We're all right. Oh, my lane's such a weird position. Get up with it. Crooked. There's one more at the top. No, steering. Let's just hanging from that. Dodgy. Oh, dear. Why? Oh, yeah. There.
Got the wood. I would, huh?
Subfront. Where you going?
Huh?
Subfront, mate, yeah. Right then, let's drain this all out. We'll get this out and we'll cut to me lifting the box out. So the shafts will pop out, that's it. Strap off as well. All our little bits and bobs everywhere. Like that. What up, lad?
Ah.
No, I'm just holding it.
No, there's two little tens, yeah. Have you got a 10? Hurry up.
I don't know where the 10 is. Find it. Fucking find it. I don't know where it is. Let's on the other side doing this. Do what? Is it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Did you just take a 13 off? No, it's not 13 now.
Will you see?
That's nothing. I ain't been up there.